I'm the first to admit I like living alone. That's when I feel in control. No one else to impress when you're always on your own. But now you're changing it all. When we met at the beach, just between you and me, knew I was falling in love. Got me out of my shell, can't believe that you're up. Do anything just for you. Never believed in the one, but baby, if I did, I'd probably go out Friday night, just maybe drink more than one glass of wine. Spend so much money, I would be anybody for you. Yeah, I'd probably dye my hair blonde. I'd be someone your friends talk about all the time. Life of the party, I could be anybody for you. Yeah, I'd be anybody for you.
Be anything that you're not. I'll never ask you to change. Never thought I'd go out of my own way, staying at your place. Guess I'm trying to say I get out of myself to give the world to you.